back to my channel. Do you like to make exactly the same project as I did? Then I have good news for you, because there is a kit available and I'm going to tell you exactly what's in the kit, so stay tuned. So let me show you what I used to completely make this album, except for one thing. What's never in my kit is cardstock that I use. I use black, but you can use any color that you want. So let's put this away for just a second. So what's in the kit? Well, of course the papers. What do we have? We have a full pack of the Voyages extraordinaires. And these are 8 double-sided papers, and this is the solid one. Very easy to use. Then we also have the normal design papers. There are 12 double-sided papers. I'm just totally in love with these papers. So cute to use. Not cute, it's steampunk theme, so super cute. Then I also have some extra pages. There are 3 of these extra. 3 of these with all of this. Yep. So I chose 3 of these. And then these 3 extra to cut out or to be used on these backgrounds. So there are 6 extra pages. 6? Yep, 6 extra pages. So in all you have 12, 20, 26, 12 by 12 papers, plus 24 sheets of the 6 by 6. So that is, and I used every single centimeter of it. Yep, I did. Then there is also in the kit the golden vinyl that I used for the hinges and the spine for the album and everything. So that's plenty that there is inside. There is only just one thing that I want to tell you. You only need this piece and this piece and this piece and 2 of these, and there is plenty, but just be a little aware of how you're going to cut it. So, but there is plenty, I promise you there is plenty, but this is what I use. So these are 3 by 3. I used 12 of these, and these are, but there is plenty, I promise you guys, there is plenty. I did cut enough for you. And then there is of course the chipboard, and yeah, I used 7 pieces of chipboard, and these are 1 millimeter, and so that's also in the kit. So it's a nice big fat kit. Then of course there is a little welcome note with no measurements. All measurements are be given in the tutorial, so please follow them step by step. I did not put anything on here because I got a little confused, and I did not want you to confuse. So everything is going to be given step by step during the tutorial. You don't miss a thing. And then of course there is a nice ribbon bag and an extra ribbon that I did not use. I totally forgot about it, but you'll have it in your kit. Then there is a nice wooden embellishment bag. There is a big bread and eyelet bag in it, and of course the big, it's huge, there is so much in it, the metal embellishments for all the gears and keys and everything. So there is so much inside this kit. Okay, so I hope you now see what's inside this kit and you know what materials that I used. So if you want to use your own materials, then this is what I used. But if you like to use exactly the same, then this kit is available. And I do not have that plenty, so don't wait too long. Get it. Send me an email. My email is below every video to be seen, to be found. So please send me an email or send me a message through Facebook. But I prefer using my email, so I have all in one spot. So yeah, just send me an email and ask me how or who or what. So yeah, give me a big thumbs up if you like this project. See you. Bye bye.